cleaning the shelves aren't that good. And then we come across this big dry pile. I swear someone like dumped what they were picking up because these are way too nice to just all be in here.
All in the same spot.
So whoever picked these up and dropped them, sorry.
They're very nice.
Look, there's one right there. There's one right there. There's one right there.
And then there's one right there.
Jeez Louise. See? Gotta be prepared. I see a lot of people like with their hands full. And
They were gonna come back for it, and here we are, thieves in the night.
well, it's not marked, so I don't know how they were gonna find it.
Did you get that little swirly girly that was there?
Yeah. So look at all these.
Here we are, thieves in there. Stealing someone's collection.
You don't steal shells.
We borrow them. Because nobody ever really keeps shells, do they? I mean, like,
What do you mean?
it's eventually they go back to the earth.
Just eventually. Here, right there.
Where are these coming from? Is that a Wiccan chain?
That is a turkey leg.
That's what I meant. Is that why people are digging? Because people's collections are under the sand? How the heck? This is crazy.
I think someone dumped their collection right here.
Yeah, I think you're right.
We were just complaining that this area is disappointing. We're gonna keep walking, but
It was very barren.
this is very barren, and then all of a sudden we come across all these nice shells. So I guess that means you can look at that bucket. Robert's trying to carry the bucket.
I've been carrying the bucket. You're going to be kicking the bucket if you want me to be carrying the bucket.
Stop. I'm not kicking any bucket. You're very funny, honey. Take the bucket. 20 pounds of shells. I don't know what you want.
That was the weirdest thing ever.
That was a little weird. Keep complaining. Every time you complain, something good
It's kind
happens.
of like, it's kind of like when you, whatever it is.
Something happens.
Good.
Alright, the sun is setting.
They're everywhere.
What, you found some more? Oh. Are you messing with people?
Oh my god, they're everywhere.
I'm gonna pee my pants. Robert's messing with people. We did find a mother lode. You know, it's just that people walk and put them in their hands and then they decide it's not worth carrying it. Apparently, someone dropped them. I'm pretty 100% sure.
I got it. Not, you know.
You better not have their number. You're gonna see jealous wife.
That came out the wrong
Yes, it
way.
did. Yes, it did.
Look at that.
That's a huge turkey wing. Here, I don't know.
Somebody's talking.
Oh my god. Bossy, bossy. You know, if Holly's watching this, she's probably like, why are you not picking up that seaweed? Sorry, Holly. It's stinky. I smelled it. They're stinky. I know it can be dried out. I'm not messing with it. But just because it can doesn't mean it should. That's not my motif. Dead plants is not my motif. You should get a picture. It's a beautiful sunset. And the seagulls. I'm not taking a picture of you.
Sure.
I'm recording. Oh, I'm recording the pelican eating dinner.
Got weird things going on here.
If you don't shut your phone all the way, you accidentally butt dial. I hope you didn't. I hope you didn't order us a pizza. Order something good. Keep walking. There's a bird.
Bird.
Squirrel. with him. Seaweed. Shells. It is holiday first. Shelluary. Yes. I like that better. Shelluary first. I don't know why I like the oyster shells, but I do. $1/4 of a dollar. I only want a whole dollar. Next trip, we'll have to go to Marco Island. I haven't done any video at Marco Island. Does anybody want us to go to Marco Island and do video? Let me know. Maybe I can talk Robert into taking me to Marco Island for Valentine's Day. Marco Island doesn't have these like mini beach shells like this, but it has lots of. I've had good luck sand olives, and I've had good luck the small cute shells like the spirals and the Miraxes and the small olives. There's like tons of people down there. I don't know if it's like more public access or I don't know. Maybe it's a wedding. Maybe it's just people. It is a beach. And there's always people. And the best part is I'm not sweating. It's so nice out. I'm not sweating. Yay. That's a broken one. Broken. Now I'm getting to the picky part because our bucket's starting to overflow. What'd you say, honey?
The hopes and dreams are dashed.
I know, we really thought we were gonna this was gonna be, the shelling was gonna be better. It's really not. Well, no, this is good. So now we know where we're gonna focus on tomorrow. Closer to our hotel is better. We're walking towards. This is on the beach. We're basically walking towards Captiva. We just passed public access number 3. So we're going towards Bowman's Beach. And that's probably what, now I know why all those people are there. That's Bowman's Beach. Which has tons of public parking. But if you're not familiar with Sanibel, they do charge for parking on all the beaches, public spots. I don't remember it being too crazy. I think it's only like a couple dollars an hour. And they do give out tickets to the people who don't pay for the parking. It's like they got automated machines and it punch out a ticket and the ticket will tell you, I know they're very fast. The ticket will say you buy like 1 hour at a time, 2 hours or 3 hours. And the ticket shows how long you get to park. No, I think it's Bowman's Beach up there. Well, yeah, these people are doing a photo shoot. I'm going to be in someone's photo shoot.
Oh.
Good times.
No one owns the beach. No one.
God owns the beach. No one on the beach. No, I feel like sometimes we've had buses. No one on the beach.